Thinking yourself happy is a process that involves actively working on your mental and emotional well-being. It is about taking control of your thoughts and emotions, and choosing to focus on the positive aspects of your life rather than dwelling on the negative. Here are a few strategies that can help you think yourself happy. Practice gratitude. Focusing on what you are grateful for can help shift your focus away from negative thoughts and emotions. Take some time each day to reflect on the things in your life that you are thankful for. This can be as simple as writing a list or saying a quick prayer of gratitude before going to bed. Engage in activities that bring joy and meaning. Doing things that you enjoy and that give you a sense of purpose can help boost your mood and overall well-being. This can include hobbies, spending time with loved ones, or volunteering in your community. Take care of your physical and mental health. Taking care of yourself physically and mentally is essential for overall well-being. Eating a healthy diet, getting regular exercise, and managing stress can all contribute to happiness. Additionally, getting enough sleep and managing any mental health conditions, such as depression or anxiety, can also play a role in how happy you feel. Mindfulness. Being mindful of your thoughts and emotions can help you identify and change any negative thoughts or patterns of thinking that may be holding you back. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation, can help you become more aware of your thoughts and emotions and give you the tools to manage them more effectively. Positive thinking. One of the most powerful ways to think yourself happy is to focus on positive thoughts and change any negative thoughts to positive ones. This means making an effort to look for the good in every situation, even when things are difficult. Thinking yourself happy is an ongoing process that requires effort and commitment. By focusing on gratitude, engaging in activities that bring joy and meaning, taking care of your physical and mental health, being mindful and thinking positively, you can make a significant impact on your happiness and well-being. It's important to remember that happiness is not always a constant state, and it's normal to have ups and downs. However, by implementing these strategies, you can increase the likelihood of experiencing more happiness in your life.